We begin with the Senate failing to hold session again today due to a lack of quorum. Majority senators refused to turn up in plenary for a second day. For the minority bloc, this is reason enough to call for the resignation of Senate President Alan Peter Cayetano. The big story tonight from mobile journalist Arles De Los Santos.
Once more, members of the Senate majority skipped plenary session. The snub happened Monday and Tuesday, June 1 and 2. Only senators belonging to the minority bloc were present on the floor by 3 p.m. Following a prolonged wait, Senator Juan Miguel Zubiri announced that Senate Secretary Jose Luis Montales informed 11 members present that their majority counterparts have no plans of turning up. At this point, the minority bloc left the hall and held a private meeting at the Senate lounge. While that is going on, Senate President Alan Peter Cayetano went on Facebook Live to explain why he had not convened the Senate session since Monday. Cayetano accused the minority of trying to prevent the resumption of the Blue Ribbon Committee investigation on the flood control scandal.
Sinabi nila na hindi katotohanan ay dahil daw to sa impeachment. Pero yung pala, ayaw na magkaroon ng hearing sa Blue Ribbon na kung saan lalabas ang buong katotohanan.
According to Cayetano, the minority's walkout last week over the proposed online participation in Senate proceedings was part of its attempt to reclaim the leadership and strip the majority of key positions. His bloc's absence for Cayetano is to protest what he believes is a puppet Senate and to ensure the flood mess probe will resume on June 4.
Gusto ba natin na ang Senado ay maging kasangkapan, ay gamitin, no? Para ilabas ang totoo? O ito ay kasangkapan para itago ang totoo? Is the Senate for truth or not? What's important to me is that on Thursday matuloy ang Blue Ribbon and tumuloy-tuloy yung iba't ibang mga committee.
Cayetano then went on to assure the upper chamber is working despite the current division among its members. The majority's focus, aside from the flood control scam investigation, are the impeachment trial of Vice President Sara Duterte and enacting laws to help the economy and Filipinos. He ended his online address with a vow to step down if the minority's numbers would lead to it.
Sabi ko naman sa inyo, no? Pumili tayo ng 13, I'm ready to go anytime, any day. Basta't may 13 na. Show me 13, wala nang problema. Ang pakiusap ko lang, let that be 13 that are fighting for the truth so that the truth can finally set all Filipinos free.
After Cayetano's FB Live, the minority bloc went back to the plenary floor and faced the media. They had this statement to fellow senators and the Senate President.
What happened today was a clear abandonment of responsibility, a dereliction of duty, and a blatant disregard of the rules that govern this institution. Because the Senate cannot be made to stop working simply because its presiding officer refuses to lead. Senate President Alan Peter Cayetano should resign as he has shown that he cannot function as the leader of the Senate anymore.
Citing Rule 14, Section 41 of the Rules of the Upper Chamber, the minority said the SP may postpone the holding of the session only after consultation with the majority leader and the minority leader.
Ako'y naniniwala. This is actually, sa dami na nilalabag rules ng Senado, it's actually impunity masquerading as assertion of the Senate as an independent institution. Impunity ito. Sunod-sunod ang paglabag.
Senator Raffy Tulfo also hit Cayetano's way of addressing the current Senate issue.
Pinahabol ko si Alan Peter Cayetano. Kung matapang ka, pumunta ka rito bukas. Otherwise, tuwag ka. Ang masakit niyan, imbis na pumasok siya rito, itong si SP Alan, sa Facebook siya, papasok. Dito dapat siya magsalita. Dito dapat siya mag-ibati kung anong gusto niyang gawin. Huwag naman sa social media.
Kapatid Arles De Los Santos, we are One News.